24 hours Jollibee. Tsaka McDonald's, magkatabi lang siya. 24 hours. Nandito sila. Magdamag, maghapon, 24/7. Nandito sila lagi. Tabi lang yan. Magkatabi lang. McDonald's tsaka McDonald's tsaka Jollibee. Magkatabi lang yan. 24 hours yan. Bukas yan. Okay? Hindi kayong maubusan ng hamburger. 24 hours yan. 24/7 yan. Yan, Jollibee. 24 hours yan, Jollibee yan. 24 hours. 24/7. 24 hours, McDonald's at saka Jollibee. Tugigaraw Plaza logo. Yan. Parang sungay ng usa. Harap ng Robinson. Harap ng Robinson Plaza. Robinson Plaza. McDonald, 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 McDonald. Bandaron, BPI, Bank of the Philippine Islands. Bank of the Philippine Islands. Tapat lang ng McDonald's at Jollibee. Bank of the Philippine Islands. Location, Jollibee Junction, Tugigaraw City. Downtown Tugigaraw na ito. Going to downtown Tugigaraw. SM downtown Tugigaraw. Head office SM, banda doon sa junction. Pupunta tayo doon mamaya. On the way na tayo sa downtown. Dumaan na tayo sa Robinson Junction Branch, Tugigaraw City, Cagayan Valley Region 2. Location is Tugigaraw City, Cagayan Valley Region 2. Andito tayo sa papuntang downtown Tugigaraw. Lagpas lang ng Robinson. Yan ang location natin. Location is Tugigaraw City, Cagayan Valley Region 2, Philippines. Yan ang location natin. Tugigaraw Branch, Honda. Na Honda, Tugigaraw Branch. Honda, Tugigaraw. Tabi lang ng Robinson. SYM Tires. SYM tindahan ng motor. SYM motor, tindahan ng motor. Tindahan ng motor. So kanila bibili ng motor. Motor ang kanilang dealer, ang kanilang business. Motorcycle dealer. SYM Euro Motor. Fuel price today, GL fuel, clean fuel GL. Fuel price today, diesel 123.9, super grain 86.5, super red 88.5. Yan ang price ng fuel today. Gasoline name, station name is GL clean fuel. GL clean fuel. Regards sa inyo lahat ng nanonood. Have a nice great day. Location natin ngayon is Tuguegarao City, Cagayan Valley Region 2. Exact location is katabi lang ng Robinson Junction Branch, Tuguegarao City Region 2, Cagayan Valley, Region 2, Philippines. Ayan ang opisina ng Pag-ibig. Government office tungkol sa housing. Pag-ibig. Yan ang opisina ng Pag-ibig Housing Project. Housing office ng government. Dito location sa Tuguegarao, Cagayan Valley Region 2, Philippines. University of Cagayan Valley. University of Cagayan Valley. Yan. Pinakamalaking private university sa Cagayan Valley. Private university sa Cagayan Valley. University of Cagayan Valley. University of Cagayan Valley. Private university. Isa sa pinakamalaking private university sa Cagayan Valley. Cagayan Valley Region 2, Philippines. University of Cagayan Valley. Private university. Yan. Galing nila. Mga pasado sa pagkaabugasya. Pasado sa pagkaabugasya. Bar Passers 2025. Graduate ng Cagayan Valley University. Yan, daming bar passers. Bagong abogado. Nag-aral sa Cagayan Valley University. Daming bar passers. Bagong abogado yan. Yan. Novo, Cagayan Valley, Novo Department Store. Yan ang mga bagong pasadong teachers. BSE Passers, professional teachers, BSE graduate, license na sila ngayon, bagong pasado. University of Cagayan Valley, private university na ang Cagayan, isa sa pinakamalaking universidad dito sa Cagayan, private university. Malaki yan. Private university yan. Marami silang bar passers, bagong abogasya, mga bagong abogasya, at bagong mga teacher. Mga license newly pasado, bagong pasado sa teacher sa BSE. BSE teachers, marami. Congratulations. Congratulations. Balik na tayo. Balik na tayo. Kukunin lang natin itong view ng Odisha. Odisha. Kukunin lang natin ang view itong Odisha. Okay? Odisha. Yan ang Odisha. Yan ang Odisha. Tindahan ng appliance. Tindahan ng appliance. Odisha. Okay? Regard sa inyo lahat yan. Going back, Robinson.